Meet the sea cucumber, nature's most dramatic escape artist. First up. Its party trick, self-dissolving. When stressed, this squishy tube can literally melt itself into goo in under 72 hours. Poof! No magician's handkerchief required. But don't let the drama fool you. These guys are nutrient powerhouses packed with protein, minerals, and zero fat. Superfood? More like ocean candy. Now, the awkward part, their backdoor problem. Sea cucumbers breathe through their rear ends. Unfortunately, predators know this. Fish, crabs, even sea turtles will take a casual nibble at their exposed booty. Good news? They regenerate lost parts. Bad news? Imagine explaining that at a family reunion. Bottom line, they're squishy, nutritious, and weirdly resilient. Evolution's ultimate hold my kelp creature. Don't poke the screen, just hit like and subscribe. 1.